Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is still in the same wave pattern, no changes really, just an update here because a lot of people asked for it. We continue to have a series of bearish patterns, not only Elliott Wave but more traditional chart patterns as well on this chart. So to give you just a simple example here, we've got the head and shoulders. That would actually take us down to 12 cents. Yeah, we looked at that in the previous video. The triangle, that would also take us down to 12 cents, same story, which is here already on the chart. And we've got a small head and shoulders pattern. It's not that nicely defined, yeah. But you could argue, yeah, well, actually it is. So if we take just purely the target of this small head and shoulders, that would take us down into the 24 cent region. Did I say dollars at some point? No, it's of course cents. All of that is basically in line with my view that XRP hasn't got the bear market low in yet. I think we're going to go a bit lower. Certainly, my view is that we should go below the June low, which was here made on the 17th, 18th of June actually, at around 28.5 cents. Yeah. I mean, everybody's annoyed about this bear market. I understand that, we just need a bit more patience and hopefully XRP will also recover. I think it would be good generally here for the sentiment and everything in the crypto space. We continue to have the scenario that we, of the high, are coming down in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be, yeah, a diagonal pattern. That's possible, yeah. Coming down in 5 waves here as a diagonal. So that's possibly would then, as per this, be in the wave 5 and yeah, possibly already have completed here a wave 1, 2, and maybe this is already the 3, 4, 5 in another diagonal pattern. That's a possibility, and with a target here around 27.2 cents. Why is that the target? Well, we looked at that before. I think we looked at this length of the wave 1, added it to the high of the wave 4, and depending on how accurate you do it, it's sort of in that 27 cent region, the 1-to-1 ratio. That's a target. The other possibility is that what we've got here is this Elliott Wave triangle that I've currently have on the chart here, which is an A, B, C, D, E Elliott Wave triangle. What's a little bit unclear is the wave E already in? So here in pink, that's the E wave. The E wave completes the B wave of the triangle. Or, no, that's wrong. The E wave is the last wave of the triangle, and the triangle, and the triangle makes up the B wave, which would then result in another sell-off in a C wave. So that's at the moment a little bit unclear, but in all scenarios, I'm still looking at lower lows. I'm happy to reconsider my view if we break above the wave 4 high, that is at 41.8 cents. Then we can look at something maybe more bullish or a more extended corrective wave pattern, but that's certainly a pivot point up there. Until that's broken, my view is strongly on going down lower. And the question is only how. I think as soon as we break this ascending trend line, the view is down directly. At the moment, we still have a chance to move higher in the Y wave of this triangle. It could be not the Y wave of the triangle, but the Y wave of the E wave. Yeah, I see the E wave of the triangle as a WXY pattern. That's a more complex corrective structure. At least I'm giving it the chance, even though the move down looks quite impulsive. So yeah, I mean, at the moment, if we look at that, I did formulate in a previous video the ideal target for the E wave. You do that by taking the length of the wave C, and you go down to the low of the wave D, and then you get here the target of around 39.5. To 40 cents. That would be the ideal target for the E wave. That is quite close to the ideal target for the Y wave. So we have a confluence there. Here we take the length of the wave W, go to the low of the X wave, and it takes us to the 1.618 extension, also same price level. So until we break that trend line to the downside, there's still a realistic chance that we go a little higher here, which would be confirmed with a break above the W wave. Then I think we've got the Y wave confirmed. We'll seek resistance in that 39.5 cents to 40 cents area before we then eventually come down. or we break the trend line and go down directly. Confirmation that the trend line is broken, or the triangle is broken, yeah, and then the E wave would sit here, which is technically absolutely possible. It's just a little short. That's why I'm considering here still a larger E wave. Yeah, we always need to have that stuff on the radar, especially in corrective wave patterns where you can get a lot of headwinds, lots of up and down, and when the chart tries to do many things at once. But that's possible as long as we are above the B wave. So the B wave is 31.5 cents. But a D wave break is already an indication that the triangle is broken. And then confirmation will be obtained as soon as that B wave breaks. Yeah, and that's currently where we are with XRP. You know, nothing too exciting. It's continuing to move in this sideways mess. But hopefully sort of in a couple of days, we'll see when the stock market opens again, we'll see a little bit more movement in this space. Okay, and that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.